Never stop thinking about you.
I want us to be together again.
What am I gonna say?
For as long as we can.
As usual, your timing couldn't be
Is that a shot? You always want
what you want when you want it. Why is everything so urgent?
Let me tell you something. This here, right now, at this very moment, is all that matters to me. I love you.
So many things I've got to tell you, but I'm afraid I don't. Oh, there's a possibility that you look at me differently, love. Ever since the first moment I spoke your name, from then on I knew that by you being in my life, things were destined to change this love. So many people love. Those who have faith in you sometimes go astray.
Sir.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Oh, hi guys.
Introduce yourself.
Anna, beauty hair.
Period. The one only, the best.
We're about to eat. This is still out.
We are. So I'm getting my cornrows done, and then we're gonna like take you through all the processes.
SUV, Rolls Royce with the curtains. Surprise, 30K the Birkin is the first. Niggas cannot keep up like they driving in reverse. Outside, you can get served. Now 3400, got 33 birds. Yeah, my bitch got curved. The coding got me slurred. Suicidal dough got me flying in the bird. 20 years they go on the bird. Now, Lamborghini squatting on the curb. Even nigga rock said a word.
Finish the hair. The gorgeous. Do you want to get in the video? Finish my hair. 8 down. It is so tea. Guys, I love. So yeah, guys, we're finished, and then I'm gonna be cleaning off one. Yeah. Vlog.
Hi guys, it's Martha.
And Eustace. And why are we here today? Because we're celebrating.
It's my birthday.
So guys, let's give you guys a quick B&B tour. So right now we have our birthday balloons that Martha so graciously blew for us. Paid for the balloons, and we got some gum. And here's our key. Here's our drinks. So before we were filming, before we were drinking, we got the liquor done, but we also got some supplements. You feel me? Gut health, because you know we take care of our health before we drink. And then there's the liquor. And then we have our food in the fridge. We went grocery shopping, so we have some food. Eustace, girl, I got your.
No,
I got the pocket cheese.
Nah, you filled the fridge to the brim. Oh, I'ma eat.
100%, we gonna eat bad. And Eustace and I picked up this big ass bag of chips. Cause that's what we gonna say though. If you know us, you know this is our favorite branded chips. Anyways, we're gonna go to the room. This is our lounge. The lights are not really on fully, but look at our view.
Yeah.
Look.
Real nice, real large.
Real cheap. And we're really high up. For real. We're like on the 37th floor. So tea. Okay, let's go to the room. Our cutesy room.
Okay.
Stop it.
I love. Okay, let me actually lay the week down, and then I can start making jokes and being funny.
Cool. So this is our room, our mirror, tea, and we literally have to get ready soon because. But yeah, guys, this is the room. Yeah.
You have a band?
Yes, I do. I'll open my suitcase. This is my suitcase. Actually, no, check that bag. It might be an extra band.
Which one?
The Kukai one. And this is our bathroom. Guys, this is our cutesy bathroom, guys. We love the bathroom is so lush, and they have conditioner for us and body wash, and it's so cute. Like literally, it's like a multi get ready with me.
Oh, this is real
Real
nice.
nice.
I love it.
So yeah, guys, and then this is just the cupboards and stuff. I think the laundry's in here.
Was a
Washing machine in here. So if you need to wash our stuff, we got it. But yeah, guys, that's our tour, and we're gonna get ready because we actually have so much to do. So yeah.
Guys, Martha's cooking us a little meal, you know, before we get lit. The way for lots of time. It's nearly. I'm telling you, I'm telling Tari she's going to do her makeup, and I'll just do it next to her because we will not have time.
I get so weak in the knees, I can hardly speak. I lose all control. Then something takes over me. In a distance, amazing. It's not a fit. I want you to stay weak in the knees. I can
I don't know if you guys can
hardly
see it very well here. The lighting is, I don't even know where the lighting is to see, but actually here. Period. I love my hair, guys. I love my nails that Martha did, and we're just waiting to get going. But yeah, so I just need to get my after on, fix my makeup last minute, and then we're heading off. This is from White Fox. This piece of yellow, and yeah, guys.
All that seafood. The meal song.
What?
Let me take my drink. I beg. Hey, I did.
I know you gotta get wild tonight. Ain't you some? You're buying that tonight. What's your other way like? Shoe make you shake like. Me get.
Yeah, guys, I'm fucking going tonight.
Oh, baby, not that. Not that.
Yeah, Mom was on the phone with Medi.
Yeah, does Emily want to say hi to the vlog?
And Medi, say hi.
To the vlog.
Yo. Is it recorded?
Yeah.
I have nothing to say, Jay.
Bro, he's so.
Okay, that's alright. Some people get shy.
Is he
Ooh,
shy?
guys, look at the lighting here.
We shy.
He's shy.
I'm a little shy. But hey,
Thumbnail. Morning, guys. So it's the next day currently. We had our haps last night. Did we have a time? But right now, they're sitting in the room chilling, and I just told them that I want to come outside and just tidy the place. So I've just cleared our table, and they still have like clothes and suitcases and stuff. But I'm cleaning the kitchen with dishes in there. So I'm just gonna give those a quick wash, and then I'm gonna start cooking breakfast because I just wanna do a cutesy spread. So I'll show you guys what we have got going on. So we just have some fruit in here. I think we have strawberries. Yeah, strawberries. We have some egg and bacon, and then we have some bread and our bocconcini, our favorite. So I'm gonna do a cutesy spread. I'm gonna make like mimosas. I'm hoping there's glasses for mimosas, and then I'm gonna like make something cutesy. I'm gonna make a cute spread because I just wanna get ready for the morning. So I'm gonna try film as much of that as possible whilst I'm like cleaning and cooking, so that you guys kind of see the process behind that. And then yeah, I'm also trying to clean at the same time. I just said that, but I want to sweep the floors a bit. I don't know if it's got like a Dyson vacuum or something. I don't know. I feel like we're just like clean people here, and we just much as we love having fun and we love girl mess, we just love to clean up after ourselves too, which is important. So, but yeah, I'm gonna start prepping the stuff. I'm gonna wash the dishes first. So, okay guys, so I'm making the food right now. I just got strawberries, grapes, and an orange. Not much, but it's something. So I'm gonna like wash it up and then I'm gonna serve it up, and then we can just cook the baby. I finished making breakfast, so I made these mocktails for Loki, and then we have the petunia, grapes, and strawberries and bacon. Don't want to feel you, don't want you, mama, don't want to feel you. We're sitting here there's Big M in her cutesy pajamas. Do you want to the birthday girl? Yeah!
This is what it looks like behind this influencer, guys. Always look the way that they show themselves.
After a night out, debrief happening right now. But we're about to pray now, and then we're gonna eat our food. What's up, y'all? This little vlog update. So we actually went and bought Eustace's birthday cake. So here it is in the fridge. As you can see, our fridge is literally almost empty, but Martha's on the couch. I just got out of the shower. Martha's chilling. I think Eustace is sleeping, so let's creep up on her. Let's see. Are you decent? She's decent. She's studying. Look at her. She's studious. She's locked in, despite the fact we literally have been out. Okay, she's got the iPad and everything.
You know, women in STEM, you feel me?
Literally. Yeah. So now I'm gonna get ready because oh, I didn't even show us the view we have. That's such a cute TV. So I need to do my makeup and get ready because God knows the process will be taking forever, and I'm doing Eustace's birthday makeup. So yeah. So here's our gorgeous model, and we're gonna be doing her face next. We're actually on time, which is great.
We got 30 minutes.
Yeah.
And then content time.
Alright guys, so this is basically my like almost finished look, but I'm gonna do my lip combo once I finish Eustace's makeup. This is the look that we did on Eustace. It's so tea. We just did like a peachy look, and oh, she looks so good. Can I please get some?
Yay.
Period. She looks so tea. Very much so birthday girl.
I love that.
Basically, eat. We're gonna munch. We're gonna munch. So yeah, that's what I'm talking about. We'll see you. Mwah. I have to do my official kisses to my mwah. Guys, we're in the lobby waiting to go to dinner. And how far is our driver? Because do we get any other form of transportation but a DD?
No.
It's 3 minutes away.
They hate to see
They
us
hate to see us coming for real. Bad.
Perfect.
Bad. But yeah. And then we're gonna yum, and then we're gonna go home.
Take some pickies.
Yeah, take some pickies or decide to do something yellow, who knows. But yeah, guys. Hey guys, we're at the restaurant. We're outside of it. The ambience is so sorry. The ambience is so tea. And with these.
A tornado flew around my room before you came. Excuse the mess it made. It usually doesn't rain in Southern California, much like Arizona. My eyes don't shed tears, but boy they pour when I'm thinking about you. Oh no, 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 I've been thinking about you. You no, I've been thinking about you. Do you think about me still? Do you, or do you love me?
It's the next day and we finished from dinner, but we just want to give a goodbye to you guys. Our bonnets are still on. We're tired and we're ready to go home. But yeah, Martha's sleeping, so she always says bye. For real. The next vlog, honestly.
Like you, I just thought you were cool enough to kick it. Got a beach house I could sell you in Idaho. Since you think I don't love you, I just thought you were cute. That's why I kissed you. Got a fighter jet, I don't get to fly it though. I'm lying down thinking about you. Oh no, 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 I've been thinking about you. You no, 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 I've been thinking about you. Do you think about it? Do you?